guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and this is SM Creative, where I share with you all of my home makeover projects and DIY projects, and I'm really excited to be sharing today's video with you. I have been working with these clients in Hermosa Beach for over a year now. They were my very first real paying clients, and I have now made over almost every single space in their entire home. I have done 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, a mudroom, and now today a bedroom. And this is kind of gonna wrap up our time together here designing their space. I gave this bedroom a mini refresh. It's kind of like this bedroom makeover, beachy, modern farmhouse design. I think that it came out so cute, and we just did a few things in there to kind of really give it that update that it needed. I've been working on this project since August, and that's only because lead times on furniture, you guys, are like unbelievably long, and we've been waiting for this new bedroom furniture to arrive, and it's here, and it came out so beautiful, and I think that you're gonna really enjoy this video. And I would ask that if you do, to please give it a thumbs up, and please help out your girl as always by subscribing to my channel to help this side of my business grow, because that would just be such a dream and I would appreciate your help. So on to today's video, this bedroom makeover, beachy, modern farmhouse. Get what I do. We're back in beautiful Hermosa Beach, the home of beach volleyball and basically beautiful weather all year long. When I first saw this bedroom, I felt like it was very small and also kind of dark. The space didn't get very much light, and they really didn't have many options for the layout of the furniture, so it kind of had to stay the same. I just wanted to give this space a mini refresh by just adding a few different elements and brightening up the space using some paint to really give that update that it really needed. They also had no closet doors in their closet, and we needed to address that also. I created a digital mood board for this beachy modern farmhouse makeover. I wanted to keep some of the existing colors that they had in the space, but I really wanted to just brighten them. So I went for a lighter sky oceany blue color. I added some elements of plaid and this Persian style rug to kind of give that modern farmhouse feel to it. I am in Rachel and Eric's bedroom, and I'm all taped up and ready to roll. I'm gonna be painting in here and freshening it up, making it brighter, making it more pretty. It's kind of been one of those lousy days. You know the kind that I'm talking about. And I'm also feeling slightly under the weather. I also backed into a parked car at Sherwin-Williams while I was getting paint, so it's been a fantastic day. But that's okay, because I'm gonna just kind of zone out in here and paint, and these kind of days are good for my mental health. I just like to listen to music and paint and do some fun stuff. Let's get to it.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
All of the walls needed a refresh in this space. I chose this color by Sherwin-Williams called Taupe White, and I think it was the perfect creamy white, not being too bright. I'm painting over this blue spongy paint and doing just a lighter, fresher sky blue paint. This room is so much brighter. It's kind of hard to tell, but you guys, it's way better than that blue spongy paint and way brighter. No space of mine would be complete without doing a little bit of DIY projects. Because this was a really small space, we really couldn't find many options for like smaller nightstands, so we opted to refinish their existing nightstands. I used this like kind of grayish matte paint from Sherwin-Williams. If you want to learn how to refinish furniture, you can check out my link up above, but I knew by just like adding some fresh paint and some new hardware that we could really give these nightstands an update. A very big thing that I wanted to address and a must-have in this space was closet doors. These clients were missing closet doors. We needed to hide all of this stuff. And this actually turned out to be a much bigger project than anticipated, especially with lead times. I saw these closet doors in another client's home that were like glass front. You were able to access the middle. And we opted to go for like more of a shaker style, but we finally got closet doors in this space, thank God. We needed to update this bedroom furniture, and we found this beautiful bedroom suite on Ethan Allen that was like kind of the perfect mix of like beachy meets traditional vibes. Next up, we needed to find the perfect rug for this bedroom space. My clients had cats, so we needed to find something that was like cat friendly, but also fit the vibe of this like beachy / like modern farmhouse vibe. This Persian rug on Boutique Rugs was the perfect option.
Are you going? Mm-hmm. Oh. Check it out. Check out what I do. Check out what I do. Check it out.
It's Beachy bedroom makeover. No, that's not what it is. Jesus. I created a digital brighter and make it feel just, better.